Hello, I'm Bruce Odland and that's Sam Auinger on the screen. We are composers who work with the problem of sound in urban spaces. Our basic sound material is the sound of that environment, which we then transform and attempt to tune. We've done this in large-scale public installations in Salzburg, Vienna, Rome, Los Angeles, and Berlin. When we compose, all aspects of sound are our tools. We consider the architecture, the history of the site, acoustics. We create special sound tools to collect and transform the sounds. We design special speakers. And we're looking for the stories that our ears can tell. We call this perspective, hearing view. This video focuses on one of those tools, the tuning tube. We're going to take this tube to 3 different environments to explore its possibilities. This is the Croton Dam. It's the source of New York City's water supply. We're going to see and hear the white noise of the waterfall as transformed by the tube. Now we're at the pedestrian overpass which connects the World Financial and World Trade Centers. We're going to hear footsteps and voices of a lunchtime crowd transformed by the tuning tube. Sam, are we rolling? We're now on the corner of 75th and Madison Avenue out front of the Whitney Museum, and we're listening to the sound of urban traffic at a close range, at a low velocity, along with pedestrian sounds tuned by 3 sections of a tuning tube.